The NFL is stepping into the future. The league is testing Sony's Hawkeye technology to replace the traditional chain gang for measuring first downs. The system uses advanced cameras and precise calibration to measure the line to gain, promising greater accuracy. NFL executive Gary Brantley revealed the technology will debut during preseason games and could roll out fully by next season. Plus, Sony's partnership will bring a new coach's sideline headset in 2025. Is this the end of the chain gang? Let us know your thoughts.